So we're back, and today we're going to be trying out some new Pat McGrath. So it's a very mauve-y, pinky palette, has some golds in there, has some purple in there. I do also have 3 of the new lip shines. That's what they're called. Yeah, 3 of the lip shines from her recent drop as well that we're going to try on too. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So we got our eyes done. They came out really pretty. I really like them. So now I'm gonna try 3 of the new lip shine. I believe she came out with this formula before, but if she has not, my apologies. All right, so this is what all 3 of the shades look like. They're all very pink, very rose themed. Like this entire drop that she had was like rose themed. So I'm gonna start off with this first one, and that is Boudoir Rose. Like this is a pink I could do. I don't usually do like bright pink lipstick, but I could do this pink. Okay, Boudoir Rose. Okay, so our next shade is Temptress. She's a bit darker. Wine Vibes. This would be a very pretty color for fall. She's very cute. And then our last shade here is Electric Lotus. She is a bright one. She's gonna be more like candy apple red. She's not as bright pink, she's more of like a fuchsia, but she's still very pretty as well. Anytime Pat comes out with anything new, I love it, just because Pat always has great formulas. She always has great color payoff, and for me, I know that the prices are up there. I'm not ignoring that, but to me it's worth it. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and also subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. I can't wait to do a giveaway for you guys. And then also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is @Niara Alexis, and I will see you guys next time.